In this video, I will show you how to fix input lag in CS2. Now, if you do have an Nvidia card, then you're in luck because there's actually something you can do to help this along. But if you don't, there's also some things you can do to help with any input lag. So what you're going to want to do first is open up CS2 on your device. And here we are, as you can see on the home screen. Now, what you're going to want to do from here is come up to the top left-hand corner and press onto the gear icon to come into the game settings. From here, you're going to want to come into video, and underneath video, you should see a tab for advanced video. So click onto that to be taken to a screen like this. Now, there's a couple of things you can change in here. As I say, if you do have NVIDIA, you're going to see an additional option at the bottom, which will be called NVIDIA Reflex Low Latency. What I would recommend if you have this is setting it to enabled. You can also try this an option called enabled plus boost. So try one of those two options and that should help you. But if you don't, then what I would recommend is changing the Fidelity FX super resolution from quality to performance, and that's all you basically need to do. So once you've gone ahead and changed that setting, that should help with the input lag problem and should enable you to have a better experience in CS2. So that's how to fix input lag in CS2. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.